Good day, everyone. My name is John Kenneth Decano, and I am a licensed professional mechanical engineer. Today, I will present my business opportunity, JKD Engineering Services, a focused mechanical engineering consultancy that provides fast, compliant, and affordable HVAC, plumbing, mechanical, and fire protection design specifically for small contractors across the Greater Toronto Area or GTA. So this pitch outlines the problem, the opportunity, and business model, and a clear path to execution. The JKD Engineering Services exists to solve a very specific market gap. Small contractors consistently struggle to access professional mechanical engineering support quickly and affordable. Using the value proposition canvas, I focus on three key areas. So first is customer jobs. Contractors need stamp drawings to submit permits, coordinate trades, and keep projects on schedule. Second is customer pains. So large engineering firms are expensive, operate slowly, and prioritize large commercial client. And finally, customer gains. Contractors want transparent pricing, a quicker turnaround, and consistent compliance with the Ontario Building Code. So JKD Engineering is designed to meet these needs indirectly and efficiently. So let's move on to the problems. So the challenges for small contractors is well documented. So based on industry surveys, 41% experience delays longer than 4 weeks when waiting for mechanical designs. So these delays cause missed permits windows, delayed inspections, and project overruns. So small developers also struggle with high fees from large firms and limited access to licensed engineers. So from a theoretical standpoint, this represents a market failure. When large firms overserve high-value clients and underserve small contractors, creating a niche opportunity for a specialized engineering service. So this is precisely where JKD Engineering fits. So JKD Engineering delivers solutions built around speed, compliance, and clarity. So my offerings includes fast turnaround mechanical, uh, HVAC, plumbing, and fire protection designs, PN's stamp drawings compliant with the OBC, ASHRAE, and NFPA, a transparent modular pricing instead of unpredictable hourly billing, uh, a structured agile design workflow with interactive revision cycles, a secure digital portal for document submissions and revision tracking. So anchored in lean service theory, the business eliminates unnecessary steps and focuses on rapid, high quality engineering output. And the market opportunity in the GTA is substantial. So based on the picture you see on screen, the Canadian engineering services sector is valued at $42.3 billion, and the GTA accounts for nearly 30% of national engineering activity. And meanwhile, Toronto Housing Action Plan aims to create 285,000 new homes by 2031, so driving an enormous volume for mechanical design needs. A pestle analysis and reinforces this demand. So let's start with political and legal. So OBC 2025 energy efficiency updates. For economic standpoint, it's construction investment projected to grow 3.2% annually. Technological, it's shift toward a digital workflow, and lastly is environmental. So it's to increase HVAC and energy efficiency standards. All of this directly elevates uh, demand for small project mechanical design services. So my target segments are uh, inte- inte- intentionally focused using the STIP frameworks. So let's start with segmentation. Contractors and small developers managing projects under $5 million. Next one is targeting. So targeting those who require fast, affordable stamp drawings for permitting and coordination. Lastly, positioning. JKD Engineering positions itself as fast, compliant engineering for small projects. So client includes HVAC contractors, residential general contractors, renovation firms, uh, and property managers handling retrofit work. So these groups value predictable pricing, code compliance, and rapid delivery, all areas where JKD specializes. So JKD Engineering operates using a lean, scalable business model. So for the revenue streams, we have mechanical or HVAC design packages, mechanical plumbing and fire protection drawings, site inspection and engineering reports. And for future plan, I will also include energy modeling and green building consulting. So for the cost structures are primarily software, insurance, cloud infrastructure, and targeting marketing. And from a financial standpoint, uh, average revenue for client project is between $1,500 to $2,200. Target gross margin is 30%, and it will break even and projected between 16 to 20 months. So using the business model Canvas, JKD creates value by leveraging engineering expertise, low overhead, and streamlined workflows. So for JKD, competitive advantage is best explained through the resource-based view, or RBV, and Porter's 5 forces. So let's start with the key differentiation includes our unique strengths. So the first one is licensed professional engineering authority. So a high barrier resource required for stamping drawings. Second is specialization in small projects. Large firms avoid this segment. And third one is lean cost structure, allows competitive pricing. And lastly is efficient workflows, so accelerates delivery without sacrificing quality. Let's move to a Porter's analysis summary. So it shows substitutes are low due to licensing requirements. Buyer power is moderate but manageable with transparent pricing. And supplier power is moderate also. Rivalry exists but is fragmented. And lastly is threat of entrance is limited by PM's licensing only. So combined, these factors position JKD competitively and defensively in the market. So let's move on to the financial projection and resource requirements. So here is the financial outlook for the first 3 years. So year 1, I'm predicting 60,000. Year 2 is $120,000, and year 3 is $20,000. So to enable this growth, key resources include CAD or BIM technologies support in year 2, contract admin support for scheduling and invoicing, annual software budget of approximately $4,000, liability insurance of $3,600, and lastly is a digital marketing budget between $3,000 and $5,000. To ensure this cash flow stability, milestone billing and deposits are used, so consistent with cost value profit analysis and industry best practices. So the implementation plan follows a clear phase approach grounded in lean startup and Kaizen continuous improvement principle. So the phase 1 is it is from 0 to 3 months, is to establish PO compliant templates and QA or QC checklist, build a secure cloud storage system, set up business and quotation workflow. So let's move to phase 2 is to acquire first 15 to 20 clients and build a referral partnership with HVAC firms, produce testimonials and case studies, and improve workflow efficiency through standardization. Lastly is phase three. So this will start year two or beyond. Is to hire part-time technologies, expand into energy modeling, scale services into Peel, Durham, and York regions. And lastly is to introduce more robust quality control and capacity planning systems. So no engineering services is without a risk. We all know that. And the business is designed around a strong risk management framework. So I have here five types of risk. So let's start with human capital risk. As a solo engineer, workload may peak. So the mitigation is to use templates, hire part-time technologies, and standardize workflow. Second one is technology risk. So cyber security and versioning issues. So to mitigate this is encrypted cloud storage and strict version control. The third one is quality control risk. So mistakes in design can cause delays. So the mitigation is PO aligned QA or QC checklist and third-party peer review when needed. The fourth one is scaling risk. So as a project volume increases, capacity may tighten. So the mitigation is SOPs, pace hiring, and automation. And lastly is the financial risk. So construction slowdowns or delayed payments. So to mitigate this is milestone billing and diversification of services. So with this, this ensures JKD grows responsibly while maintaining engineering quality and compliance. So to conclude, JKD Engineering Services is built on a clear market gap, strong engineering capabilities, and a lean, scalable business model. So the business includes or combines a well-defined niche, a strong value proposition, defensible competitive position, realistic financial projection, a paced implemented plan, and a proactive risk management framework. So together, these elements position JKD Engineering Services to deliver fast, compliant, and high-value mechanical engineering support to small contractors across GTA. So thank you for listening.